Hello friends, in this session we will be learning very important concept in Python, that is operators precedence. Let's get started. Let's try to solve some expressions. Suppose val is 60 minus 120 divided by 30. So here we are performing some operations. Now what I want you to do is I want you to simplify this expression. You can pause the video and try to simplify it. Next, let's see how we can solve this expression. If we first subtract 60 and 120, we will get minus 60. Then if we divide the result with 30, then we will get minus 2. If we first divide minus 120 with 30, we will get minus 4. If we subtract it with 60, we will get 56. Now, which is correct? Is minus 2 is correct or 56 is correct? Well, if you are getting minus 2, then it is incorrect. If you are getting 56, it is correct. You must have used ByteAdmin's. So if you are getting 56, you must have used ByteAdmin's. You might have studied about ByteAdmin's in your school. ByteAdmin's stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first we take the bracket off, then we perform the division, then multiplication, then addition, and at last we perform subtractions. So if we solve this expression using ByteAdmin's, we will get 56. So first we perform the division, then we will get minus 4, then we do not have multiplication or addition in this expression, we have subtraction. So we subtract 4 from 60, we get 56. But in Python, we do not follow ByteAdmin's. In Python, we follow operators precedence. Let's try to understand what are operators precedence. Operator precedence decides which operator will be evaluated first. When Python interpreter simplifies our expression, it will first solve the operator which has higher precedence. Let's look at some of the operators that we have in Python. First, we have parenthesis. Parenthesis has the highest precedence than any other operator. Then we have power operator. Then we have multiplication, division, floor division, and modulo operators. Then we have addition and subtraction operator, and finally we have assignment operator. So here we have some of the operators that are present in Python. Here the operators are written in decreasing order of their precedence. So higher the operator is, it has higher precedence. So when Python interpreter simplifies expression, it will solve the operator first which has higher precedence. First we have parenthesis. Parenthesis has the highest precedence than any other operator. Then we have power operator. Power is an arithmetic operator and it has highest precedence than any other arithmetic operators. Next we have multiplication, division, floor division and modulo operators. All of them have equal priority. Then we have addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction operators have less priority than multiplication, division, floor division and modulo operators. Then at the very end we have assignment operator. Assignment operators have the lowest precedence than any other operator. This is because when we perform an expression, whatever the result is, at the very end assignment operator will be invoked. It will assign the result to the variable. That's why assignment operator has least precedence. It will be invoked at the very end of operation. In ByteAdmin's, we perform division before multiplication. So first we perform the division, then we perform multiplication. But in Python, both multiplication and division, they have the same precedence. Similarly, in ByteAdmin's, first we perform addition, then we perform subtraction. But again, in Python, both addition and subtraction, they have same precedence. So that's why in Python, we do not follow ByteAdmin's. In Python, we follow operators precedence in order to decide which operator will be evaluated first in an expression. Now let's try to solve this expression using operators precedence in Python. In this expression, we are performing assignment operation, we are performing subtraction and division. Among this, notice division has higher precedence than subtraction and assignment. So we will first perform division. So when we divide minus 120 with 30, we will get minus 4. Now we have assignment and subtraction. Remember, subtraction has higher precedence than assignment operator. So we will perform subtraction first. Now the val is 56. Next we have assignment operator. Assignment operator will take the value that is present on the right hand side. It will assign that to the variable that is present on the left hand side. So we are getting 56. Now I will display the value that variable val is storing. If we run the program, you can see we are getting 56.0. We are getting decimal point here because here we are performing division. So whenever we perform division, the result will always be a floating data type. So when we divide 120 with 30, we will get 4.0. Then when we subtract 4.0 from 60, we will get 56.0. That's why we are getting this output. Let's try to solve some more arithmetic operations. Suppose this time we are solving val is 5 multiplied by 45 divided by 9. Let's try to simplify this expression. Here we are performing assignment, multiplication and division operations. Now if we look at the operators precedence table, you will see multiplication and division has higher precedence than assignment operator. So first we will perform multiplication and division. So first we will simplify this expression. We will have val is. Now remember, multiplication and division, they have the same precedence. See, both multiplication and division, they have the same precedence. So when we are simplifying this, since multiplication is coming before division, that's why first we will perform the multiplication. Let's multiply 5 with 45. We will get 225. Then we will divide the result with 9. Now if we divide 225 with 9, we will get val is 25.0. Next what I will do is, let me display the value that variable val is storing. Now if I run the program, you can see val is storing 25.0. So remember, when both operators have same precedence, whichever is appearing first, we simplify that operator first. In this expression, since multiplication is coming before division, that's why first we are performing multiplication.